This week we move on to Bundaberg because we were going to get an obscene amount of rain and we were really scared that we were going to flood. We also visit Splitter's farm to see some really cute animals. We do a tour of the Bundaberg Factory and have a look at the history behind it, and we also go to Rockhampton Zoo. So we left Yandina. Because basically we got access to some new weather maps and we were pretty much in the worst spot we could be. We were expecting over 300 mils of rain, and that was pretty much the whole Sunshine Coast. So if you went west or if you went north or even south of where we were, it dropped down to 100 to 200 mils. So we decided to leave and head up to Bundaberg.
Yeah, it's a bit of a jump. 3-hour drive. We didn't want to go more 1 to 2 hour drives just so I could explore the areas, but yeah, we just want to get out of the rain.
Pretty much, we're over it. We've been stuck in the rain for the last, well, since we left, since Saturday, and it's hoping things are better. Dion has a friend in Bundaberg who we've been talking to and has said that they don't flood there. We've also spoken to the caravan park and they've confirmed that, you know, unless something really bad happens, they don't flood. So hopefully we're making the right choice.
Oh, gotta take my shoes off. I'm getting stuck. Alright. No, because you got gumboots on that are about to fill up with water. Nothing, keep walking. We are at the Bundaberg Rum Distilling Factory. Again?
So apparently we couldn't
come.
Like
a year ago.
Apparently we could not come to Bundaberg without coming again, but this time we are going to do the factory tour.
Yes, which we didn't get to do last time.
No, so we'll be doing that. We're not allowed to film in there though, so we won't be able to show you any of it. But hopefully it'll be good, and hopefully Dion won't spend too much money on rum at the end.
Can't guarantee that. Okay.
But yeah, we can go into the tour.
Yeah.
Alright.
Going off down.
So it turns out the only reason we have Bundy rum is because they had too much molasses and they couldn't figure out how to get rid of it all. So even though they didn't really want to produce rum, they did it to get rid of all the molasses.
That there, Hudson, is a polar bear. So you've got the sugar growing, and then the sugar crushing, and then the sugar molasses. Adding yeast and water till you get alcohol. Yes.
So in 1907, the factory actually burnt down. So 150,000 gallons were set alight. And as long as the spirit flowed, there were rivers of flame everywhere, but they decided to rebuild. So the first distillation uses a still that is 4 stories high in a single wash column. It goes to the top, falls down, goes through a series of trays that are heated by steam, and when the liquid and steam meet, they create an alcohol vapor, which rises to the top and is captured at 65% alcohol. In 1968, Bundaberg Rum appoints its first taste testing panel consisting of 18 experts who taste the rum for consistency. That is still in process today. Alright, how did you enjoy the tour?
Yeah, pretty good.
Pretty interesting. I liked looking at the big vat of molasses.
Yeah, I was worried. Like if you stepped in it or fell in it, you just sink like Augustus Gloop in the chocolate factory. But
yes.
Yeah, it is cool. I quite liked it. It's pretty much the same process we use for making our alcohol.
Yeah, just faster.
Yeah.
And I thought it was really cool that everything is done here. It's not outsourced anywhere. It's just...
It's all 100% made in Bundaberg. Apart from sourcing the barrels for it to be stored in. Everything else is made and brewed and sourced and grown here.
Yep. And at the end of the tour, you get a rum and a liqueur. So, what did you pick?
A Solaris, which is a straight top shelf rum. A banana and coffee liqueur. A coffee and a
white rum
with
pineapple.
juice.
Yeah.
That one probably tastes the best out of all. And then probably banana, coffee, and that. That is very strong on its own.
The banana one's actually pretty good. It kind of just tastes like banana lollies.
Yeah, like the powdery bananas you used to get as a kid.
Yeah.
Pretty much tastes like that.
So, anyway, yeah, it was pretty good. It was only $57 for both of us, and Hudson was free. So, a nice way to spend the afternoon.
Yeah, it was.
Finally seeing some good weather. Almost blue sky.
Really?
Oh, that's so cute.
Very light.
Gentle. Is it nice and smooth? Be careful. Good job. Very brave. All good? Thank you.
Alright, Jess, so where are we today?
We are at the Bundaberg Zoo, so it's Alexander Park Zoo, and it's free, so that's nice. And
Yeah.
it's just like a random little zoo next to a park in town. You just walk straight in.
Yeah, it's been pretty good. Like, we've got 3 hours to fill in between where we were and where we're going to be.
Yeah.
So we decided to stop by a free park in town. And there's a playground outside of Hudson afterwards.
Yeah, and they've got tamarins, turtles, birds, lizards, snakes. They've got a quoll, which is a bit random, but I've never seen one in real life, so that was cool. Emus, kangaroo, was it a kangaroo? No, what
Wallabies.
Yeah. So, like, it's not a lot, but to fill in maybe an hour, it's pretty good, and especially free is nice as well. And just around the corner, there's actually some really wide streets, so you can park up with the car and caravan, provided it's not too busy.
Yeah, and it's a Saturday, so
Yeah, and it's a Saturday, and we got a spot super easy, so that's
handy.
Yeah. You are huge. Oh, hello. Hi. Hello. Do you talk? Hi. Hello. Oh yeah, that beat doesn't. It's a bit scary. Oh jeez. So we're just talking to one of the keepers, and she actually said this zoo is 111 years old this year. So that's crazy, but she said there's a lot of people in town who've been here 20 years and don't know they exist, so they're getting more signage. But yeah, it's a really good day, well, a couple of hours maybe.
Yeah.
Hey,
What are we doing today?
we are at Splitters Farm. Ready? Oh. Ah, he took the whole thing.
Got a whole.
We got to go ask them if the baby lamb's going to be back out, because Hudson just wants to see the baby lamb again, don't you? Yeah.
Yeah, her mum's name is Dolly, so we called her Jolene because we thought it was funny. Mum rejected her though because she was stressed because one of her other babies passed away. And she's just Så hippity hoppity maniac.
I'm gone.
How cool is that? Say hi, Jojo.
She's only 2 weeks old.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They're getting eaten by Madam.
Oh, you want the whole thing, you guys?
Where do I want to go, Dad?
To the shops.
To the shop?
Yep.
Okay.
That one? Okay, now what you do is you have to put your hand very flat so he doesn't nibble your fingers, okay?
So hold your hand out flat.
Hand flat like that. Wow! You want to do it again? Is that pretty cool? Oh, you want some more?
So what's this part?
So this is the camp kitchen area. It's also got a fire pit, and they have a little, not a restaurant, but a place they do wood-fired pizzas a couple of times a month as well. And there's a sign there that says Nacho Night, and I'm really sad we missed Nacho Night. I think it might be more a school holiday thing.
Would be good to be here during school holidays because the campgrounds are definitely set up for
Lots of people.
lots of people and lots of kids. Right. Yeah. Where we are over the back there. Wrong follow.
Oh. Over here.
Over the back there is where we are. Glad you walked through it first.
There we go. So, here.
Jess is good, not going near the spider web. So this is out the back of the, what are they, the villas?
Glamping tents.
And glamping tents. So it's literally a canvas tent under a canvas awning.
You got your own bathroom and whatnot.
Yeah, you got a corrugated iron bathroom at the back end of it. Your own fire pit out at the front, and a veranda with barbecue and basic amenities.
So we are about 10 minutes outside of Bundaberg on the way to Gin Gin, and we've stopped at John's Roadside Industrial Artwork. So this was found on Wikicamps. It's free, it's literally just on the side of the road. But someone has literally put a heap of things on stilts in the air. So yeah, let's have a look at that. Next week, we will be going to visit the Capricorn Caves and doing the cathedral tour. We also try and visit Five Rocks, but with all the flood waters, we actually have trouble getting there. And we finally make our way to Notch Point. Unfortunately, on the way we do diff out and had to use the winch for the first time to try and drag the car and caravan out of a muddy bog hole. It is all worth it though when we get to camp up at this amazing free camp. Tune in and subscribe to follow our adventures.